Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Motorcycle. We're on our way to the Glen Museum in Hammondsport, New York. Here we have a 74 KX 125. We are delivering this to a customer who's going to be at the show. And just for kicks, we're going to take this one along. This is a G31M. Original paint, never cleaned, put away as is. The grip's all torn up. I mean, it's all cool. But it does have the original fenders, which are cool. Could be a nice restoration, but I kind of like it the way it is. I don't have any more parts for it. I did a deal and working on a guy's bike for it and stuff, and this is pretty cool, really nice wall hanger. So anyway, the point of this video here is we're going to pull this, we're taking this to the museum. So here's the bike that we are delivering to New York. And we're going to show you it starts, and we're going to take her up and down the driveway and load her up because we're late as usual. Oh, well, anyway, it does start. Okay, there you have it. There's our bike. We got new clutch plates in it, changed the oil and stuff, and give her a little once over. And so we're going to take this to New York, deliver it to the customer, and we're giving him a bottle of Spectre oil to make sure he keeps it going good. This is the best oil we've ever used. Okay, thanks a lot, and we'll see you in Hammondsport.